Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use a voice changer in Discord. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So all you have to do is to click on the browser, and then from here you're going to search for Clownfish voice changer. Search for that, and then download the first one. You can see right here, Clownfish voice changer. Once you go to this one, go to the download section. In the download section, download whatever is best for you. Once you download it right here, you can see it right here in the installer. And then you can just simply click on it. Click on yes. Click on next. Choose next. Decide where the folder location is. And once you click on next, it will start installing. Once it finishes installing, then you can just simply close this browser. And then from here, you're going to search for Clownfish. And then you're going to click on it. Now that it's running, you can just click on the bottom right arrow right here. And then right here you can find it, so then you can just right click. And then you're going to click on the setup button and then setup integration. This will show you all the microphones that you have. And so you're going to install it on the specific microphone that you want. So these are all my microphones, but for you there are probably going to be much less options and you're going to remember the name of it. So once you remember the name of it and you just install it on the correct microphone, you're going to close it after you click it. And then from here, you're just going to make sure that when you go to the user settings, and then you go scroll down to voice and video, and then for the microphone option, you're going to select the same microphone that you have installed the voice changer on. Once that is done, then all you have to do is to click on the arrow again, right click, and then click on set voice changer. And now you have all the options. Click whatever option you would like, and it will apply on it automatically. And so you just start talking and it will change your voice automatically. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.